In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Carrd for landing page. We'll build a clean, effective landing page from a ready-made template so you can get online quickly without any code. Start by heading to the Carrd dashboard. At the top right, select New Site to open the template library. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on the landing category, which is designed for single-page sites that capture attention and drive an action. Open Landing, browse the options, and pick a layout that fits your goal, whether that's collecting signups, showcasing a product, or sharing a simple bio. When you're happy with a design, click Select to open it in the builder. Now, make your edits. Replace placeholder text with your headline and supporting copy. Keep headlines short and benefit-driven, and use concise body text so visitors understand what you offer. Update images or icons to match your brand, and adjust colors and typography in the sidebar to maintain visual consistency. If your template includes a button or form, tailor the label so the next step is obvious. Take a moment to check spacing and mobile previews so everything reads well on smaller screens. When you're ready to save or publish, use the Publish icon or the Save icon at the top right. Add a clear title so your page is easy to find in your dashboard, and a concise description to summarize what the page is about. Choose an action that matches your goal, like opening a section, linking to a URL, or submitting a form. You can publish to a free carrd.co address for a quick launch, or connect a custom domain if you want a branded URL. If you plan to reuse this layout later, save it as a template. If you're not ready to go live, save as an offline draft to keep working privately. Finally, click Save, confirm with OK, and you're done. That's all it takes to create a polished landing page in Carrd. Fast, simple, and ready to share.